Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Hawthorne Muleskinner. And for today's video, we're going to unbox an item from the Red Wing shoes. I bought this item from a local distributor here in Metro Manila. This is located in Makati. This is the Grind Store. This is located at Glorieta 3 in Makati City, and I bought this item early this year. However, it's only this time that I'm going to unbox this item. This is my first time to buy this kind of model from Red Wing shoes, and we're now going to unbox it. This is the model 3344 in size 8G regular, and this is what they call the Red Wing Blacksmith or Blacksmith. So this is my first time to have this kind of model from Red Wing, the Red Wing Blacksmith in Hawthorne Muleskinner leather. So very nice. This is size 8. And as usual, this is the sole is very nice. I have this kind of leather in my H083 Iron Ranger in Hawthorne Muleskinner, and I've been using it for the past 1 year and a half. And hopefully this 2023 I'll be using this Blacksmith as my rotation boots. As usual, this is 270 Goodyear welted. It is a cork filling inside. This is the 430 outsole. You have a flat wax shoelaces, and you have 4 brass eyelets and 3 brass quick lace. So they're very nice. Three 4 3 stitch, one piece of backstay, oh very nice. We'll have a product review and of these shoes after I'll be able to use it maybe in 1 month's period. So thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye.